Here I am, riding my bike from New York to California. See how far I get today. Good book. Gotta brush my teeth after I eat. Hot chocolate. Hi, could you tell me where I am? You're at the state of RV. Wow, I traveled a long ways then. I could be in California by tomorrow. Took me 12 hours to get here, but I'm here. Now to head back home. It'll be another 12 hours. Altogether 24 hours. I'm ready. A little music would be good on the way home. That was an awesome ride. I'm back home and I made it in 23 hours and 58 minutes. Now to go jogging. Here I go, back to where I was, California. Got a long ways to go.